So my name is Louai Labanieh. I'm a postdoc at Stanford, and I'm a 2022 Parker Scholar. The CAR T cells are a new type of engineered cell therapy, and they've demonstrated really remarkable clinical activity in certain cancers. However, as we try to extend that activity to other cancers, there are really significant obstacles. And so for my project, I am developing ways of engineering the next generation of CAR T cells, which have upgrades that allow them to overcome some of these obstacles, such as a hostile tumor microenvironment, and allow them to remain functional and persist for a long time so that they can combat the overwhelming number of cancer cells. And by souping up these cells, I'm hopeful that we will be able to unleash their full potential and lead to cures for more patients. So this award means that I'll have the privilege of teaming up with some of the brightest minds in cancer therapy on concerted efforts to really revolutionize the way we treat cancer. And it means I'll be mentored by and collaborate with the very best and tackle the biggest challenges with a laser-sharp focus on translating our findings to the clinic. It also means that I will be developing as a scientist in an environment that fosters bold thinking and supports cutting-edge projects and methodologies. This award will help advance my research through collaborations with other PICI members and access to PICI resources. PICI has a reputation for supporting the top scientists, so I'm very honored to be a part of it. And of course, PICI is helping to fast track a lot of these clinical findings.